التي كتبها الله سبحانه وتعالى عليهم.
Now, we have only a few minutes, 2-3 minutes left. So you have a question?
So we have 5 questions from Germany.
Germany, okay. The same gentleman, our friend who
from different people.
used to send long lists of questions. No, different one.
No.
Huh? Acha, right. Please.
Bukhuta Samir, he sent from different people from Algeria, and the same person is asking about the same verse that Huzur has explained in previous session. وَنَادَى نُوحٌ رَبَّهُ وَنَادَى نُوحٌ رَبَّهُ فَقَالَ رَبِّ إِنَّ ابْنِي مِنْ أَهْلِي وَإِنَّ وَعْدَكَ الْحَقُّ وَأَنْتَ أَحْكَمُ الْحَاكِمِينَ. And he referred to another hadith of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, Al-Mahdi minna Ahle Bait. And in another...
Does it say Al-Mahdi minna Ahle Bait?
This is what he...
Salmanu minna.
No, there is another one. He quoted the other one also. Salmanu minna Ahle Bait. And he's asking what does...
Now this I don't remember. I would love to know the reference to this hadith.
Al-Mahdi.
Al-Mahdi. What is the reference?
No reference for him.
Because the only hadith which I remember mentioned Salman Farsi, and that was at the time of the Battle of the Ditch, when people were being arranged in their families. Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam invited Hazrat Salman Farsi to come and stand among the Ahle Bait. And these are the historic words which he said, Salmanu minna Ahlul Bait. Salman is ours, is Ahlul Bait. So if it is also said about Mahdi, I would love to see that, because we know Mahdi and Salman, who is to appear in future, are one and the same thing. You know, in Hawlai, so somebody who belonged to Salman's category. So if we also know that this is the same words are used about Mahdi, that would further corroborate our viewpoint. Yes. And this clearly shows that the word Ahl is used by Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to indicate spiritual belonging to him, not physical. So anybody who is spiritually close to Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is from his Ahl. That is the meaning of that. Yes.